activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife has now moved the Supreme Court, filing a petition seeking his unconditional release. So this is what we see right now, viewers. Back-to-back updates coming in on Republic TV. And she has gone ahead, I repeat, she has moved the Supreme Court seeking his release, seeking Sonam Wangchuk's release. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife has now moved the Supreme Court seeking his unconditional release. Sonam Wangchuk was arrested in Jodhpur on charges pertaining to the stringent National Security Act, NSA. And this is coming in, viewers, as we keep getting you back-to-back updates. And she is going ahead, moving the Supreme Court over this issue. We'll, of course, try to get you more updates on the story. But Shambhavi is joining us live. Shambhavi, you know, we see that Sonam Wangchuk has now been accused, Shambhavi, of instigating violent protests in Ladakh last week, which claimed 4 lives. Sonam Wangchuk's wife has now moved the Supreme Court.
Right. Gitanjali Angmo has now moved to the Supreme Court seeking immediate release of her husband Sonam Wangchuk. And now, according to the sources, the information that we are getting, it is based on why the NSA was slapped on him. Why hasn't she got any order of detention copy yet? And she has not been able to get in contact with her husband. What in the recent press conference, she even shared that after the 24th September violence in Ladakh, when Sonam Wangchuk was detained after that and is now currently in Jodhpur in jail, the authorities promised her that she will be made to contact with Sonam Wangchuk, but this point has also been included in the plea that no contact with her husband has been established yet. She hasn't received any copy of detention order, and on what grounds was NSA slapped on him? These are some of the basic points, and as per the petition that she has filed in the Supreme Court, she is asking for immediate release of Sonam Wangchuk. Back to you.
That's right. You know, I just want to go across and help our viewers understand what exactly has been happening so far, because we have seen a section who have protested Sonam Wangchuk's detention. And if you just help our viewers understand right now what that really looks like, Shambhavi, because we see that Sonam Wangchuk has not really accepted the charges which have been leveled against him.
Right. In Ladakh, there has been some kind of communal violence on and off, and there has been a protest for a few years now where Sonam Wangchuk, with a lot of other organizations, has been asking for statehood of Ladakh and also constitutional amendments. And on the basis of this, there has been peaceful protest, but recently there was a lot of, allegedly, the government alleged that Sonam Wangchuk has incited communal violence, after which things got a little out of hand on around 24th of September, after which he was detained. And NSA was slapped off him, and on the basis of the same, now Sonam Wangchuk's wife Gitanjali Angmo has come forward with this petition, has filed this petition, moved to Supreme Court, saying that she wants her husband to be released immediately. She's questioned the grounds, she has questioned why hasn't she gotten a detention copy yet, and she has also questioned that why hasn't she been able to get in contact with her husband.
Right, Shambhavi, thank you.